Now see this. Wow. It's not so scary as it looks like, and it's not also. Going up, this is the shelter, that house, when we sleep 1 and 2 nights. 2 nights. Enjoying. Queen of Zagreb, BGA, Ivan Begić. We are in the middle, if you see. This is the road you will have to pass. You see.
Wow.
Now we were going on that edge of, if you rain is falling down, so there is no showering. You can shower only with rain. So we were happy when sun came in. Ooh. Yeah, that's the session. And these 2 guys are girl and not guys, girl and wife and husband from Slovenia.
Okay, now you have to shut up because the car in mountain is nearly 2,000 meters. So at least we have mountains.
4 kilometers. Stop. Day after that day, we go to mountain house where is people and where is drinks and food. But a lot of food we were bringing with us. So that's why we're so heavy. Now in Krajačkuk, back there is Veliki Lubenovac and Veliki Kozjak. It's big. After rain and wind are the best views. So this is after rain and wind. That's Istra. One part in Slovenia once. Now we are going there. You have everything: stones, forest, and lowland. How do you say this? Yes, yes. And this wow contrast, playing with colors. And now we came finally to my wife. Ha ha ha. We drink it like 16 or 4 in 1 hour because we didn't drink it 1.5 day. After that good
Croatian go hiking like this, yeah.
After that time we go near peaks here and enjoying this on the stone it's kita. Kita means dick. So a lot of peaks in Croatia have a name Kita. I don't know why. Now we are on dick Kita. The sunset. Day after that we go to swim in Adriatic Sea, and this was very, very interesting because we came down in 2.5 hours from 1,040 meters to now, and drink few beers, 5 beers, eat pizza, go shopping, food, and then in 9 p.m. at dark we go up. And it was really don't do that. This is Vipera amulites, Poskok on Croatia. It's the most poisonous snake in Europe, I think. But it's beautiful. No, it's beautiful. I love snakes. Goat. They're also beautiful. And geological forms, stones. And this is Guster. He was really posing, like I was like this here, one between photo camera and him. Sunset before night. And we go up now. Yeah, we were really exhausted. This very rare and beautiful snake in Croatia called crvena krpica, like a red. Red nešto. Like fairy tale, that girl with the wolf. Now, day after that, we go on the longest distance, 25 kilometers of walking with 20 kilos on back, and but James or Dražen, his knees went wrong, bad, and he stayed. So only us three have continued the journey. Enjoying in sun. This is the road. What are you thinking, boys, now? This looks like and this is very beautiful to see when you are there. Feeling. This stone is natural. I don't know on what it looks like, but for me, like a logo of Adidas. Now water, usually on Velebit and all way Croatia mountains, you don't have water because this is karst, and you know about karst that water don't
only
beer. But it's beer. Oh fuck. Dead pigeon. It's not pigeon. And this day is one of the days, and now we are going to Dabarski Kukovi. You will see what is that. Down there in the middle it's sea, and it's